What's up, fellow RC addicts, enthusiasts, and just anybody with a general interest in the RC hobby? Today we might actually be including some people with a interest in another hobby in particular. Bear down here with you. As you can tell, we're planning on going bashing. We got the 3 main bashers we have. We got about a dozen batteries charged up. Got a couple chargers with us. Not going to the skate park. Going somewhere a little different today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, oh shit. I didn't crash though. Off to the side. Yes!
Look at that, and the body's still on it.
Oh crap. I fell. My camera slid too. I nailed that second tabletop perfect too. Did you get that? On the wheels. Oh, broke something. Alright, well that looks like that's it for us in bashing today. I had wanted to shoot some more footage, but unfortunately I broke the steering block on the X-Maxx, and then on my Rustler 4x4, the shoulder screw, the threads holding the C block and the steering knuckle together, the threads stripped out, so I can't keep my steering knuckle inside of my C-hub. Kind of hard to drive when that's happening. So I'll go ahead, get the parts ordered for that, get everything fixed up. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Bear Down out.